What is this difference between metro and SkyTrain?
Metro is underground.
Metro underground.
SkyTrain is
Oh, okay. But in my place, both are same. All metro, either underground or sky. Oh, there is no electric wire. The track is electric, right? We have same type of this. In another train we have the electric track. Oh, okay.
oh, okay, went wrong way. Wrong way.
1 to 4. Which gate? One? Talat Talat Noi. Talat Noi. Now correct. Now this is the street. Huh? Oh, very hot. Hello. Better to stay inside in Bangkok during summer. Now how far? 1 kilometer?
We are here now, Talat Noi.
This is
Yeah.
this place? Okay.
We turn left.
Oh, the street looks quite funky. Artistic street, right?
Huh?
Artistic.
Sorry?
The painting.
Painting. drink coffee?
Hmm?
Do you drink coffee?
Coffee? Yeah, okay.
There is a local
Cold,
coffee.
cold coffee.
If you want to try.
Cold coffee, I like cold.
Huh?
I like cold coffee. Cold coffee.
Koi.
Hot, cold,
Cold.
cold coffee. Yeah. No? This is village or industry?
Industry.
Industry.
Like,
It looks more
like
of
a
industry.
Pattaya.
More of an industry than village.
We will go this way or this way? This way.
Yeah. Car industry. Right.
Maybe I get sick today. The weather is so hot. I don't know this is so famous for a picture or something.
Hey, God.
Your people. Your people. say hi.
คุยมันกับไปมองป้าอีหมาจริง
ลูกนี้มันต้องใส่ที่ข้างหลัง
Oh, this is a tourist place. This is a tourist place. I see.
Now tourist before village
Uh,
and here เจ้าพระยา river.
okay.
Let's check it out. Okay, I want to stay in the shade. We can
Is
walk
something?
along.
Have you been to Hoi An?
Huh?
Hoi An, Vietnam. It's like a village, ancient village. So it has similar type of village houses there.